The map. You have learnt in previous chapter that globe is a small model of the earth, which represents the various landforms in an easy and accurate way. However, it has some limitations. It is difficult to carry around, lacks detailed information, cannot show the entire earth at one time. To avoid these difficulties, we normally refer maps instead of globes. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the Earth's surface, or a part of it, on a flat surface, such as a sheet of paper. It is through maps that we can identify the location, shapes of countries and also the distances between places. People who create maps are called cartographers. A book of maps is called an atlas. We can draw maps on a flat surface to show continents, countries, cities and even a neighborhood. However, maps too have limitations. The Earth is spherical in shape, with curved surfaces. You cannot flatten out the Earth's surface and show it accurately. Types of maps. We use maps for various purposes. They help us to know the distribution of population, transport, natural resources, soil, forest and density of rainfall of a region. Maps can be of different sizes. A wall map is bigger in size and shows more details. It can be easily rolled up or folded and carried. There are several types of maps. Maps showing boundaries of the countries, states and important cities are known as political maps. Maps showing natural features of the land such as mountains, rivers and plains are known as physical maps. Maps showing crops grown or minerals found in various places. Maps showing rainfall in different areas. Maps showing roads, railways and airline routes. Language of maps. To understand the information given on a map, we must know its language. Every map has colors, signs and symbols. This is known as the language of the map. Directions. There are 4 major directions. These are north, south, east, and west. The top of the map is the north. The bottom of the map is the south. To your right is the east. To your left is the west. Look at the map of India. You will see that Jammu and Kashmir lies in the north, Gujarat in the west, Chennai in the south, and Assam in the east. Subdirections. There are 4 subdirections. Northeast lies between north and east. Northwest lies between north and west. Southeast lies between south and east. Southwest lies between south and west. All the maps follow the same method of showing directions and subdirections. Scale. As the Earth is very big, it is difficult to make maps showing its actual size. Thus, a scale is used. Suppose the distance between 2 towns is 200 kilometers. On the map, it is shown as 2 centimeters. The scale is written as 2 centimeters, 200 kilometers. The scale is usually shown at the corner of the map. Thus, the scale is used to represent the ratio between the size of the map and the area shown. Linear scale or graphical scale. A linear scale is given in the form of a bar which is divided at regular intervals. Each division in the bar represents a fixed distance on the ground. In the figure below, each segment represents 1 centimeter on the scale and 100 kilometers on ground. A map without a scale is called a sketch. Colors. The art of making or drawing maps is called cartography. Cartographers use different colors to show various things on a map. Generally, maps follow a standard color scheme. Water bodies like seas, oceans, rivers and lakes are always shown in blue. Light blue shows shallow waters and darker shade of blue shows deep waters. Plains of lowlands are shown in green, highland and mountains are shown in orange and brown. Orange shows plateaus, dark brown shows high mountains and light brown shows lower mountains and hills. This color scheme is used for maps all over the world. To understand the color scheme, a key is provided on the map. The key shows the height of land, depth of water above or below sea level, and a particular color is used to show it on the map. Signs and symbols. A map has limited space to show the actual size and shape of features such as bridges, dams, forests, railway tracks. So, cartographers use different signs and symbols to show these features. The land boundary of a country is shown by thick dashes and dots in black. Cities are marked by a small circle. These symbols are drawn in different colors and letters. These common symbols are called conventional symbols. The use of sign and symbols makes the map easier to understand.